name of heritage now. If you ask me, they should have got a 650 single cylinder engine in the classic 650, just like a BSA Gold Star, and that would have been a truly enjoyable experience, like I am having on my X440. You see the torque, you see the initial pull, that single cylinder, the fun they have, okay, that you cannot get in a twin. But anyway, they don't want to. Actually, what happened is Royal Enfield has two platforms for 650cc. One platform is the Bear and Interceptor and the GT, which is selling quite decently at 3,000 per month, around 3,000. And the other platform is the Super Meteor one, which is also selling decently, above 1,000. The shotgun is not selling. So the Classic is based purely on a shotgun. I mean the dimensions, everything similar to the stance, everything. Now what they have done is they have just modified the handle. They have just kept the front design as a Classic or a bullet style, and they removed the Showa suspension in the front. So the problem in Classic 650 will be that it will not be very comfortable. And also second thing, the engine is not the tuned one that you see on the Bear. It's the same old Interceptor one. So it will be sluggish, just like the Super Meteor or the shotgun. So it pulls, but it pulls after a certain RPM. But due to its weight, right, it won't be that much of an experience that I am thinking. So people who love the single cylinder Bullet 500, I don't think they will be attracted to it. But anyway, that's how the market is. You have to go with your tried and tested product. But somewhere down the line, the Enfield was not like that. They used to experiment a lot. Remember, they had the GT 535. It was an experiment. It was a failure, but it paved the way for the newer 650s at that time. But now things have changed. People are willing to spend more to get motorcycles above 350cc. So now is the right time. 400cc segment is increasing. Anyway, so to me, the Classic 650 is not that very exciting. Classic 350 is a success, but I'm not sure. People might buy it because of its looks and it bears the name of Classic. So in India, name Classic is enough. People will buy it with their eyes closed. And Classic 350 is a good motorcycle. I'm not saying it's a bad motorcycle, but Royal Enfield could have done a better job just by relaunching a shotgun in another avatar and just giving people, saying that